Pages are another option to further design and develop a course, opposed to relying on files as a content repository and in addition to utilizing other tools for graded content. Pages are a great option to organize course information according to weeks, units, themes, and projects. Pages also allows instructors to create and display content text, images, videos, and links to other course materials. Utilizing Pages also aids in the seamless flow of a course, making it easier for students to navigate. Let's begin by creating a page in the blue rectangle at the top right side of the page and click Add Page. Assign a page a title. Regarding naming conventions, please avoid utilizing dates. This will create extra work if importing content from one quarter's course into another quarter's course. All the dates will roll over and no longer be relevant, creating extra work and costing time. We recommend utilizing weeks, units, themes, or project titles. Instructors must include content in the Rich Content Editor box in order to save and publish. Instructors can use the RCE box to format pages and link assignments, quizzes, and discussions to a page. External links may be added by clicking on the caret next to the correlating icon to add links, images, and media and documents. Click on the three dots for other options, including formulas. There's also HTML editing by clicking on View and HTML Editor. The HTML editor may also be accessed by clicking on the carets at the bottom right side of the screen. Click on the carets again to revert back to the page text. Other embedded content may include YouTube videos or documents from Google Drive, making it easy to integrate a variety of resources. For options, we recommend keeping only teachers elected. If changed to teachers and students, the page will then serve as a wiki-like page, and content could be accidentally overwritten, revised, or deleted. The option also exists to select a Publish At Date. When selecting a Publish At Date, Save and Publish at the bottom right side of the screen becomes grayed out, and only the option to save exists. Prior to saving, the option also exists to complete the Assign Access fields. Instructors can assign access to everyone in the course or specific students and sections. When completing the Available From and Time and Until Time and Time fields, this locks down the page even further. Ensure the Publish At Date is also consistent with the Available From date. Regarding time, though it may seem tedious, we highly recommend drilling down and selecting a time that is most convenient with the course. Please avoid anything being due or available at midnight or a minute before midnight, and complete the Until fields. Once clicking on Save, the page will appear, and if complete, the Publish At field calendar icon on the top right of the page will appear with a reminder of the publish date. By clicking on the Assign To button, a panel will appear from the right side of the screen, allowing for a quick revision of these fields. Alternatively, instructors can also click on the Edit pencil icon to adjust content for this page as well. Navigating back to Pages. There will also be a red calendar icon visible next to Pages where a publish date was set for that particular page. If designing a front page for the course, this must be set first from the Pages screen. Click on the three dots for the page you'd like to be front-facing, and then click on Use as Front Page. Then navigate to the Canvas course homepage, and on the right side of the screen, under Course Status, select Choose Homepage, and select the page that was just set as the front page, and select Save. This page will now be the default page. So when students or teaching teams enter their course, opposed to the default syllabus view page, they will be brought to the home page that was just set as the front page. For any questions, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. Have a lovely quarter.